Good day everyone. My name is Jolkifli P. Agwam from 11 STEM Understanding. This video is all about solving system of nonlinear equations by graphing using Desmos app. For question number 1, y is equal to 2x plus 4 and y is equal to quantity of x plus 2 squared plus 1. So we're going to solve this problem using this app, Desmos. Ang gagawin lang natin ay susulat lang natin ang problem at hihintayin na lang natin lumabas ang sagot. That's why I recommend this app kasi malaking tulong talaga siya, lalo na sa ating mga estudyante. So, kapag nakita na natin yung intersection point, pipindutin lang natin ito at may makikita po tayong negative 1, 2. So, yun na po yun yung sagot sa question sa number 1. Therefore, our answer is negative 1, 2. For the next question, x squared plus 2x plus y squared minus 8y plus 8 is equal to 0. And 9x plus 18x plus y squared minus 8y plus 16 is equal to 0. Kaya gagamit ulit tayo ng app na Desmos. Muli, isusulat uli natin ang problem at hihintay na lang natin ang magiging sagot nito. Therefore, our answer in number 10 is negative 1, 7 and negative 1, 1. At dito na po nagtatapos. Maraming salamat po.